Hi, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use the referral panel. But first of all, you're going to have to connect to your wallet. To be able to connect your wallet, you're going to have to click the connect icon on the top right. And after that, as you can see, we have three wallets that we can connect to. Metapro wallet, which is our wallet, MetaMask wallet, and any wallet connect. I'm going to be using Metapro. So as you can see, now I have to open the Metapro wallet mobile app and tap on the top right a chain icon to scan the QR code. So I'm going to do that. Now I have to click connect, enter my passcode, click Web3 login, click sign, and as you can see, I am now logged in. So after you have connected to your wallet, we can start going to the referral panel. So first of all, we're going to have to click here, then go over to referral panel. And as you can see, now we can register our downline. So basically, all I have to do is put in my downline address, press enter, and now I can register a downline address, which I'm going to do right now. After that, I have to confirm the transaction on my phone and put in my passcode. And as you can see now, we have registered our downline. Now, if you want to check if you have actually registered it or if someone else has already done that, what we need to do is just copy it, press enter, and click on check. And as you can see, the account is associated with my address. Now, there are also two other options that may pop up while you are registering your downline, which I'm going to show to you right now. So first of all, I'm just going to have to copy my downline address, press enter, and then press check. And as you can see, the account has an associated referrer. So that means that this account is already registered under someone's wallet and you cannot register into this account under your wallet. And for the second option, I'm just going to have to do the same. So I'm just going to put in my downline address, press enter, and press check. And as you can see, the account has no associated referrer. So that means that this account isn't registered under anyone's wallet. So as you can see, now here we have downline wallets. So now here we can see the referral bonus. There are 3 levels and there's a total. Now, as you can see, it says I don't have any downline wallets registered yet, but as you can see, I already have registered. Now, why does this happen? It's because the wallet that I just registered hasn't made a purchase, and it will only appear once you have made a purchase, right over here. And now, as you can see, we have a referral link. Now, the referral link is basically something that when you copy it, which you just need to click here, and someone buys something with that referral link, you get provision from that. And basically that's how it works.